In this video we'll look at pairing the remote to the Ghost camera. Now by pressing the closest button here we can then sync the remote. It tells us the next step is to press the button on the remote control, which is this big button here. Press that down and then it should start the syncing process. As you can see, it is now successful, and we can then exit by pressing the power button here. Now you can see we're back into video mode, and to change the different modes you can cycle by pressing the square button down the bottom. We have photo, we have time-lapse, photo burst, and then back to video. And to record, hit the big button, and you can see it's now flashing red. To stop, you press the small button and you're back into standby.